Tomorrow. You keep saying it. I'll do it tomorrow. But here's the truth. Tomorrow never comes. And deep down, you know it. Think about it. How many times have you promised yourself that you'd start tomorrow? I'll start working out tomorrow. I'll begin studying tomorrow. I'll fix my sleep schedule tomorrow. But then tomorrow arrives, and suddenly it turns into another tomorrow. And before you realize it, a week, a month, or even a year has slipped away. Here's the harsh reality. Tomorrow is the biggest lie we tell ourselves. It feels safe, it feels comfortable, and it tricks your brain into thinking you're making progress, when really, you're just pressing pause on your own life. Let me give you an example. Imagine you have an important exam or deadline coming up. You know you need to study, but instead you say, I'll start tomorrow. What happens? Tomorrow comes, and suddenly you're tired or busy or just not in the mood. So you push it again and again, until the pressure builds so much that you either panic at the last minute or fail completely. That cycle? That's the price of living in tomorrow. Why do we do this? Because tomorrow feels like a magical place where we'll finally have motivation, energy, and focus. Tomorrow is the land where our problems don't exist, where we're the best version of ourselves. But here's the twist. That land doesn't exist. It's an illusion. The only real time you ever have is today. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'll be more ready tomorrow. Here's the thing, you won't. You're not avoiding the task because it's hard, you're avoiding it because it's uncomfortable, and your brain loves comfort. It tricks you into scrolling, binge-watching, or wasting hours on things that don't matter because they feel easy. But let me ask you this. Has tomorrow ever really made things easier? Or has it only left you with more regret? Here's the secret. You don't need to wait for tomorrow. You don't even need to wait for motivation. What you need is action. Small, imperfect action. Want to get fit? Do one push-up? Want to study? Open the book and read just one page. Want to write? Write a single messy sentence, because action beats procrastination. And once you start, you'll notice something powerful. Momentum kicks in. Suddenly, one push-up turns into 10. One page turns into a whole chapter. One sentence turns into a full paragraph. Remember this. Motivation doesn't come before action. Action creates motivation. The more you wait for tomorrow, the weaker your self-belief becomes. But the more you act today, the stronger you grow. Let's flip the script. Imagine instead of saying, I'll start tomorrow, you said, I'll start right now, just for 5 minutes. You'd be shocked how quickly those 5 minutes can change your mood, your energy, even your entire day. And when you stack those tiny todays together, that's when you build a better future. Don't waste another day waiting for a tomorrow that doesn't exist. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because it's never coming. The perfect time is now. The perfect chance is today. And the only person who can make that choice is you. So the next time you hear yourself saying, I'll do it tomorrow, stop. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, if not now, then when? Because tomorrow never comes. But today is in your hands. If this message hit you, don't keep it to yourself. Take action today. Leave a like, share this video, and subscribe for more real talk like this.